You guys, I have been super busy, but let me go ahead and do this September Sips by subscription box for you. I don't know, maybe I'll just like start doing these at the end of the month. I had even forgotten that I got this box. But I have like a lot of stuff in the works right now. So this box wasn't as fall themed. You know, the past couple boxes I've been describing them as kind of sexy, like they're very spicy in terms of the teas and their ingredients that they've been sending. This one's a little different, but I did get good quantities of the teas. So let's just jump in and see what we got here. So this is the September box. Tipsby.com is where you can get yours. It's a monthly tea subscription, $15 a month. You take a survey, tell them what you like, what you want to try in terms of teas, and they will send it to you. I highly recommend requesting more loose leaf teas than tea bags because you're going to get higher quality, more expensive teas that way. Just because loose leaf teas tend to be the higher end brands, more organic teas, versus like stuff you can just find at your grocery store. So, and also if you don't have tea strainers and all that, don't worry about it. They send you a reusable muslin tea bag holder. I'll show it to you right now, as a matter of fact. So this bag actually functions as a tea bag, but it's a bag of disposable tea bags. So don't worry about it if you don't have like a tea strainer and all that stuff, and or don't know if you can properly. Why is this blurry? Don't worry about it if you think you don't know how to properly brew loose leaf tea. They'll send you what you need, basically. So I've had this brand before. This is OT's. I had a different flavor. It peach, or I don't remember, but it wasn't this. So this is lemongrass, ginger, and cinnamon. Two ingredients I love. Cinnamon is so good. I don't know why this keeps unfocusing. Cinnamon is so good for your blood sugar if you are diabetic. Having cinnamon with every meal will help stabilize your blood sugar. My brother's diabetic. My cousin was just diagnosed with diabetes due to a medicine he was taking that triggered it. I take cinnamon capsules with not with every, I try to do it with every meal just to keep my blood sugar stable, which also helps you with weight management, losing weight, maintaining weight, whatever the case may be. Maintaining weight is in not, preventing your weight from going up, not gaining, because, like some people have trouble holding on to their weight. Because they lose it so easily. Anyway, yeah, so this is another flavor. I enjoy the OTs that I had in my first Sips by box. I'm definitely going to enjoy this one, caffeine free. I am caffeine sensitive, so I don't drink a whole lot of caffeine, although I will do a black tea or a green tea. Or, well, yeah, chai is kind of a black tea. Anyway, yeah, like this brand, looking forward to it. It is a repeat brand, though, although it's a different flavor. So they send you a good quantity. So this is like 3 bags. And yeah, so these are tea sachets, so they're not loose leaf. So you don't have to worry about measuring out the tea and brewing it in a strainer or disposable tea bag or cloth. See, they gave me like 4 of those. I think they gave me maybe 3 in the first box. This is from Savoy Tea Company. It is a black tea with bergamot. It's an Earl Grey, basically. I'm not a huge fan of Earl Grey, but I told them to send me a little bit of Earl Grey just because maybe there's something I'm missing. This is a lot of Earl Grey. This might be a good item for giveaway. You know what? I'm gonna try it. Maybe I'm missing something. I know some of you like Earl Grey. I think it's the bergamot that I don't. The blend of the black tea and the bergamot. But separately they might be fine. I don't know. Gives you steeping instructions. Most teas you like somewhere around the boiling point, 212. This one is slightly lower. I believe I've seen them where you only heat the water up to like less than 200 even. Like 160 or something. I don't know. But yeah, so pay attention to that. The instructions on your tea boxes, tea bags that you buy. So this is White Tea Company. And focus. Focus. I don't know what the deal is. Come on, like what the heck? I don't know. Guys, I am so sorry about this thing not focusing. There we go. And this is called Baltimore Breakfast Tea. I don't know why it's Baltimore. I don't know anything about the company. Maybe they're based in Baltimore. Or on the East Coast. Maybe they have teas for every city on the East Coast or something. Who knows? But it is a hearty breakfast tea that is great alone. Stands up great with cream and sugar or lemon. I will probably do cream and sugar with this. I do my black tea like how people do coffee because I don't drink coffee. Also, I love any kind of latte tea, with milk or cream added. So this is actually a blend of Indian black teas, which means this is going to be a spicy tea, kind of like a chai. They don't have the ingredients it's made in Baltimore. They don't have the ingredients. I looked at the insert that comes with it, thinking there would be ingredients on it. Nope. So this is their story. They do bespoke teas. They're just two siblings, Brittany and Joey. And they create tea. Here's one that's below 200. So apparently you only heat it up to 195, which is significantly below boiling. But yeah, they tell you how much tea to put in every 8 ounces. Steep for 3 minutes. You can make it into an iced tea or you can have it hot. I like chai tea, so I'm going to do this. I'll probably make it into a chai latte. That might be all, actually, that they sent me. Let me see. Oh, no, one more. Right. Okay. This is a blackberry Jasmine Blast. So this should be caffeine free if I'm not mistaken. Oh, it's green. Okay. Wow. So this one comes from Germany. That's cool. It's distributed by David's Tea. I don't, if you know that brand, they have tea shops. Oh, interesting. So this might be the biggest company. Oh, well, no, I won't say that. So you do get larger tea companies like Bigelow and the stuff you find at the grocery store again, if you do the bag, like if you choose all tea bags. But David's Tea Company has little tea shops and you can order online. So they're a larger company. They're based in Canada. I like some of their tea accessories, like, how you have water bottle. They make that for tea, like a tea to go thing. It's kind of like a water bottle, plastic free. I want one of those. I don't have one yet. But this is a low caffeine tea. It tells you again how much water you need. Again, it's in milliliters because they're a Canadian company, but they also tell you ounces, 16 ounces. 1 to 2 teaspoons. This is 200 degrees Fahrenheit exactly. Steep for 3 to 4 minutes. So this is apple flavored, or I guess apple green tea. Yeah. Scented with jasmine. I love the smell of jasmine tea. Hibiscus rosehip shells. So rosehips are like, actually, rosehips help you absorb vitamin C, I believe. Natural red fruit jelly flavoring. Interesting. Blackberries, natural red fruit, and stevia. So this is going to be a sweeter tea. I might even add a little honey to it to make it like really, like I like my tea sweet. I'm Southern. But I don't like it syrupy. Now there's a line. But this is a fruity tea basically. And hibiscus is super healthy because it lowers your blood pressure. So if you got high blood pressure, get you some hibiscus tea. You could drink Jamaican sorrel as well, which is a related flower. It's a bright red kind of fruity tea, kind of punchy type flavor. Punchy is in like fruit punch kind of. And yeah, so there's a little health tip for you. So this is a good quantity of this tea. David's tea is high quality. And this is a good quantity of that stuff. So that's exciting. I really do feel like I'm getting my money's worth with this box now that I've switched to, loose leaf teas. So that's it for the September tea box. I'll see you guys again soon. I have a little bit of pole dancing footage. Nothing too exciting. So last week's class kind of like ran over and I didn't really record much, but I have something from the week before. Also, I am finally getting my poll. Oh my goodness, I should have it maybe this week, next week. So, I'll catch up with you guys again soon. I've got some work and some other stuff to get to. So, I'll see you guys later. You guys stay clean, stay safe, stay organized, be well, and I will talk to you soon. Bye now.